First, we need a pumpkin. Ask a grown-up to help you carve it. Scoop out all the gooey stuff inside. Save the pumpkin seeds. We can roast them later for a yummy snack. Remember, science can be messy and exciting, but we always need to be safe. Always have a grown-up help you with the experiment. Wear old clothes that you don't mind getting messy. Okay, are you ready to make our pumpkin puke? Let's go. Section 5. Gathering your potion. Ingredients. In this section, we'll go over everything you need to create a magical and fun pumpkin puke potion. First, we need baking soda. It's often used in baking, but today, it will be our secret ingredient for a fantastic reaction. Next, we need vinegar. When vinegar and baking soda mix, they create a fizzy reaction that will help our pumpkin puke come to life. We also need dish soap and food coloring. The dish soap helps to trap the gas bubbles, making the foam thicker. The food coloring will add a fun and spooky touch. When we mix all these ingredients together, we'll create a colorful and bubbly potion that looks just like pumpkin puke. So, gather your supplies and get ready to be amazed by the magical reaction. Section 6. Mixing the magic potion. This is where the real fun begins. Gather your ingredients for some spooky science. Put baking soda inside your pumpkin. Be generous for a big reaction. Mix vinegar, dish soap, and food coloring. Choose any color you like. Pour the mixture into the pumpkin and watch the magic happen. The reaction will bubble and fizz, creating a spectacular display. Share your potion with friends. Happy Halloween! Section 7. The pumpkin erupts. Now for the exciting part. Pour the vinegar mixture into the pumpkin. Watch what happens. The pumpkin will start to erupt with foamy, colorful puke. Wow, that's so cool! But why does this happen? It's all thanks to science. Section 8. The science behind the puke. When baking soda and vinegar mix, they create a gas called carbon dioxide. This gas needs space to escape. It pushes its way out of the pumpkin, taking the soapy, colorful mixture with it. That's what makes the pumpkin puke. Science is amazing, isn't it? Section 9. Fun, educational, and easy to clean. Making a puking pumpkin is a fun and easy way to learn about science. Remember, always have a grown-up help you with experiments. And don't forget to clean up afterwards. You can use the leftover pumpkin to make a delicious pie. Section 10. More spooky science fun. Halloween is the perfect time for spooky science experiments that are fun and educational. Make spooky slime that glows in the dark, or create floating, glowing ghosts. Build a haunted house with secret passages to learn about engineering and architecture. Put on your lab coats and gather your materials. These experiments are great for bonding and learning. Explore the amazing world of science this Halloween. Happy Halloween, and may your experiments be spooky and enlightening.